CAD is used across every industry. The shoes you're wearing, the phone you wish you could be texting on right now, the very air you're breathing inside this building, all of it was designed. That designer could be you.
Computer-aided drafting and design are the blueprints of all parts and buildings you see in your everyday life.
My favorite thing about the CADD program is the architecture.
So my favorite thing about CADD program is the architecture.
My favorite thing about CADD ACE program is the architectural division.
In computer-aided drafting and design, we draw technical drawings.
For me, the best thing about the CADD program is the technical part.
My favorite part about the CADD program is the technical drafting.
My favorite thing about the CADD program is its design aspects.
My favorite part about the CADD program is the graphic design aspect.
My favorite thing about the CADD program is design. My favorite thing about the CADD program is the opportunities that it provides.